And I don't even know what to say with this.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, I don't even know, dude. I'm just like rambling, but to do what? We create. Social freak. Dude, it's been a while since. I'm just trying to think of the word. Okay. No, you're good. You're good. To what? Line?
Is that? No, that's not it. And we are the. Gosh. Join our communities. Join our community. Join. Why can't I say join? Join. Why is that the weirdest word now? Join our community. Join our community on Instagram and Facebook to see updates and stay involved. Is it rolling? We also have products that aren't available to the public. We also have. Why is this so ridiculous?
You'll when you like okay.
I don't know. Hold on. I serve. That's how it works.
Oh, yeah. Microgreens are just regular. Microgreens are harvested when they have the most need. Are harvested at the when they have the most nutrients, and they're from beginners to experts. Get your garden. If you are just getting. Go.
All right, try buckwheat. You want me to do the intro again? Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Yeah, you can come check it out. I know the thing is like, it's the backwards way that you think it would go. Okay, check. Cut.
All right, mic check, mic.
And I think that was it. No. I'll just restart. Centered, and then make sure to look at the lens.
Yeah. Markets Ambassador Program. Let's do that one more time.
Okay.
The pumpkin sizes, did food. Then we gotta do the raffle. All right, what have I missed?
1,000 pounds. How big are they? No, it's right now, right? So, okay. Yeah, I'm rambling on. Let me try that again. Amazing pumpkin that you grew.
Okay, and it just keeps going. You can more.
Black oil sunflowers. It's literally one line. I'm chilling. Flower. Okay, this is it. Oil sunflowers with all. Okay.
Your standard.
They have the. To dramatically improve. To dramatically improve soil health. Popularity among homegrowners. You can stop it for a sec. Here, just pause it for 1 sec. Cover crops work from cover crops work for container gardens to backyard gardens to large farms, all the way to farm gardens. Cover crops work for container gardens. Do a new one. I need a freshie. Teaches you everything you need to know. Why is that so hard to say? Teaches you everything you need to know about cover crops. Cover crops. Get our free cover crop guide. Get your cover crop. Is that it?